Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on Marriott Bonvoy itself. And now without further ado, start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to sign up for a Marriott Bonvoy account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Marriott.com like this and enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Marriott itself. And you can see now to sign up for a Marriott Bonvoy account, on the top right corner of your screen there is the sign in or join option available over there, and again click on join, and you'll be directed to the sign up page of the Marriott Bonvoy. Scroll down and here you can see there is the forum for creating an account on Marriott Bonvoy. To do that, let's enter our details like this. Enter your first name, your last name, your postal code like this, and it's your email, and again enter your password over here, but you will be creating your password to log into your Marriott Bonvoy account later on. So create a strong password, guys. Use some capital letters, some small letters and some numbers so that your password will be strong. After entering all your details, click on join over here, and you can see there is my name over here on the top right corner of your screen. And let's check Gmail if the Marriott Bonvoy or the Marriott Bonvoy has sent us any verification kind of email. And let's go, and there are no any kinds of Marriott Bonvoy verification. So guys, this is how you create an account on Marriott Bonvoy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.